Hello sir, my name is Harsh Shukla and I am a student of class 10th A. Today I am going to present my maths model which is on a topic surface area of cylinder. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Sir, in this video we will discuss about that what is cylinder and what are its type and how we can find the area of cylinder, and with the help of my maths model we will derive the formulas by which we can find the area of cylinder. So as we all know that cylinder is a three-dimensional mathematical shape and there are two types of cylinder. The first one is covered cylinder which is closed from its top and bottom, and the second one is hollow cylinder which is not covered from its top and bottom. You can see some examples of cylinder here which we use this in our day-to-day life. So as you can see here, this is a closed cylinder because it is covered from its top and bottom with the help of two circles, and now the question arises that how I can find its total surface area. The total surface area is the area of its curved surface and the area of two circles. So the formula to find the total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. And to find its curved surface area is the area only of its curved surface. So we will subtract the area of two circles from its total surface area to get curved surface area, which is 2 pi rh. So sir, now we are going to derive the formulas by which we can find the total surface area and curved surface area of a cylinder with the help of my model. So sir, now I am going to derive the formula of curved surface area of a cylinder with the help of my model. So in my model you can see here that there is a cylinder and I have wrapped a paper in the cylinder. So when I rotate this wheel, the paper is getting unwrapped. And when the paper is totally unwrapped, it takes the shape of a rectangle. So we can say that the curved portion of a cylinder is in the shape of rectangle. So the area of rectangle will be equals to the area of curved surface of a cylinder. So in this rectangle, the breadth of the rectangle is equals to the height of the cylinder, and the length of the rectangle is equals to 2 pi r, because when the paper is wrapped in this cylinder, the length is in the shape of circle. So the length is equals to 2 pi r, which is the circumference of this circle. So we can say that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Here the breadth is equals to height of the cylinder and the length is equals to the circumference of the circle which is at the top and bottom of this cylinder. So the curved surface area of this cylinder is length into breadth, which is 2 pi rh, and 2 pi rh is the curved surface of the cylinder. So we have just derived the curved surface area of a cylinder with the help of my model. Now we are going to derive the total surface area with the help of my model. So sir, now we will find the formula of total surface area of cylinder with the help of my model. So as we just finished the curved surface area of cylinder with the help of my model, we knew that the area of this rectangle is 2 pi rh, because the curved portion of this cylinder is equal to this area of rectangle. So the area of rectangle is 2 pi rh, and the total surface area of a cylinder is nothing but area of rectangle plus area of the other two circles. So area of this rectangle is 2 pi rh, and we know that the area of circle is pi r square, but in this case there are two circles. So the area of two circles will be 2 pi r square. Now we will add up the area of two circles plus area of the rectangle. So the equation is like 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. We will take 2 pi r as common, so the final result is 2 pi r inside bracket r plus h, and this is the total surface area of a cylinder. So we just derived the total surface area of cylinder with the help of my model. So I hope Nikhil sir that you will like my presentation, and in this video I have derived both the formulas of area of cylinder, and with the help of this video you can even find the area of this cylinder. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.